What's up? So here are some holiday tips to help you stay in line or in track. Number one, if you are going to go away and you want to work out, you can do body weight workouts. Or if you have access to some dumbbells, you can do dumbbell workouts. It's a good time for you maybe to do some bodybuilding, maybe do some CrossFit WODs or something like that. I have a ton on my YouTube channel you can check out. Number three, you can just start taking longer walks or runs. Number four, you can stop panicking and realize the holiday is one day in November, one day in December. Don't let the other days throw you so off and so far away that you feel that you are crazy for committing to your fitness goals. They're usually your fitness goals because they mean something to you, not everyone else. With that being said, around this time of the year, I do allow a little bit of extra talk time if I'm working out because the holidays can be tough for some people and I could probably just lend my ear to them. Now, that doesn't mean come up and have an hour conversation with me, but I'll lend my ear a little more. So, holiday tips, let me know which one helps you out most.